Well, well, well. What do we have here? Let's close this. We got some nosy ass neighbors. Alright, so we got. I know it's pretty dark in here. Oh, I should leave the garage open, but let's see. Welcome back, guys. If you're new to the channel, my name is Paul, and this is Anonymous Garage. We are currently building my EK hatch, which I have other videos of. It's all stock right now, bone stock. Last mod we did, or if you want to call it a mod, is this license plate frame with some Gdevelopment titanium bolts, and then we put some nuts in the back. So it's a pretty nice piece, OEM plus, if you ask me. Today, we're gonna install a shift knob, which let me show you guys. I'm gonna find my keys. Oh, and now it's dark. Dude, I don't even have. Oh my god, light. Yeah, I think we need to do it outside or something. Let's see if I open the garage. Let's see. There's somebody outside. It's a lot better. Okay. Now you guys can see. Alright, so Checkered Sports. I'll leave the link in the description. Shout out to my cousin Terry. She bought this for me for my birthday, which is back in November. And I had it ever since. I didn't want to install it yet because I wasn't sure like on the plans for the car and stuff. So, but now we're just at whatever, you know, just make some videos, add some mods. Oh my god, I opened it wrong. That's why I didn't want to open. I just messed up the box. There you go. So you open like this. It's a weighted shift knob too. Still in the bag. So it comes with extra. Hooked it up with some stickers. Checkered Sports. This little EG, his race car. So yeah, it's engraved. Let's see. There, I opened it. It's engraved. There, Checkered Sports. So what we're gonna do, this is a stock shifter. You can tell how dirty this thing is. This whole car was dirty. It still is dirty, but so what we can do is just OEM knobs. You can just twist it off. I do want to get a short shifter, but I might go K-swap soon, so doesn't even matter. Damn, this thing is pretty heavy. I weighed it last time, but I forgot. It has its own countersunk thread inside. So, dang, this thing is tall now. It's just cold too. I wasn't sure if I wanted to put it on because it's the winter still. There's a bunch of snow. Oh shit, I don't know. There you go. Damn thing feels way different. The weight actually helps. a lot taller too. Not bad. Overall, here you have it, guys. You guys want to call this the first official mod? Or what? But, dang, I like it though. Don't mind the noise the guys shoveling outside. Look at this. This will probably be soon, because like, all this stuff just falls on me. I have an EM1 cluster I gotta put on. RS6 steering wheel I gotta put on. And coilovers. So stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think about the shift knob. If you guys have any other favorites. I do have other favorites too, like the spoon one. There's a lot. So yeah. We'll see where we go. Just do it little by little. Thanks.